Welcome to Sculpture Trails Outdoor Museum here in Solsberry, Indiana.
Tell us, what is Sculpture Trails?
So it's an outdoor sculpture park museum.
This one is actually really cool. This is our Art of Knowledge, and this was done by Jack Braun. And they tried so hard and they couldn't have a baby. And so this is her kind of reaching. I mean, if she could pull a baby out of the sky, she would have. And so this is a portrait of the artist as Janus. And Janus is the Greek god of duality. So this is used as a portal. When you stand in the middle here, now you live in duality. You live between the black and white of life. You live between the, happy and sad. And you can kind of have this moment of peace. You're in duality. So he'll take that sand that you saw and then carve into it and make these crazy designs that he does, and they're like mandalas.
There's so many trails. I see sculptures back off into the tree.
This is 50 acres of family-owned land.
See, I was thinking 3 miles. Seems like a lot. That seems like you could get a lot of sculptures out here.
Oh, yeah, I think we're close to 200 now.